tiny pull. Go. She runs like 5 miles every day. Her glutes, hamstrings, quads are always very, very tight, specifically through the tops of her glutes on either side. So you feel like you've been bound up more so through this area. Push, hold, and relax. How's your knees been?
Good.
Yeah, you haven't bound up through that one?
I mean, couple runs maybe since last time I was here, but not like anything consistent.
Drop this one. Good. Lift that right one for me. One's heavier.
Right.
Right over to left. Deep breath all the way out. One more above it. Breath in and out. Into the armpit and then keep going.